I know who's Squidward.
Who's Squidward?
It's in SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Okay, so what are you trying to tell us?
Well, what about the stars?
Yeah, what words? What show?
What?
Word, wood.
What?
Wood.
What?
Huh?
Whoa.
What?
Okay, I don't understand that.
What?
Wood.
What?
Wood.
What? Why you keep saying the right thing?
Because you keep saying wood.
What?
Wood.
Is that not right?
No.
Well, what's right? Wood.
It has a duck and a frog and a sheep and a bear and that's all.
Oh, they have that? So Noah's Ark?
That's what I was going to say.
No.
Well, you said they have animals.
I know they'll have animals because it's What?
What does that have to do with the stars?
When we go at Kim's house, get more done. What on?
What's that have to do with the Big Dipper?
Then we'll show you when we get there.
She's going to show us the Big Dipper?
No, the show.
What? What show? Wood? What's Wood?
That you can know.
I can't know what the show Wood is.
The what?
The word wart?
You just gotta say it right.
Woodwort.
No.
Word wart?
No.
Wood?
No.
Poop?
No.
Well then what is it?
What?
That's what I said. Woodwort.
What?
Woodwood.
What?
Woodwood. That's what I said. Woodwood.
It doesn't sound like that. It has 2 letters in it. It has 2.
Then what are the letters? I said wood. You said woodwood. I said woodwood.
What?
Woodword.
It doesn't have those 2 letters.
I said woodword.
It has 2 words. What?
Word.
Yes, that's the show I'm talking about.
Word?
Yes.
Worm word? Or
What?
word?
What?
Word. So I got it right. Word.
That was the first thing we said 20 minutes ago, buddy.
Is it word?
Time's out!
Time's out. Is it word?
Time's out!
Why do I get a time's out?
Because Mom's time's almost out.
Mom's time's almost out? What did Mom do?
She didn't listen right.
Mom didn't listen right.
So you need to stop and nobody's going to answer me.
I'm going to answer you. I'm trying to figure out what word is.
Sounds what?
Frog? So I need to go
Ribbit.
ribbit. Oh, I thought it went.
Will frogs go like ribbit?
They do.
Yeah.
Well, what goes?
A pig.
I think Mom goes.
Moo!
Oh, that's what Mom does?
That,
Moo.
no, a cow says moo.
What does Mom say?
Nothing.
What kind of sounds does Mom make?
Woof, woof.
What kind of sounds does Daddy make?
Nothing.
Right. Because Daddy's quiet, right?
Quack, quack.
What kind of sounds does Noah make?
Nothing.
I think you make sounds. And what kind of sounds do you make? You go on the way home.
Moo!
And Mommy sounds like,
Wow!
and Daddy sounds like.
Nothing.
So Daddy's quiet and nice and peaceful.
That's right.
And what does Mommy sound like?
Nothing either. SpongeBob. SpongeBob SquarePants.
Who's that? Is that what Daddy wears?
No, but SpongeBob SquarePants has in his little